There's a hotel that has only 12 floors. But one night, a man stepped into the elevator and saw a button that shouldn't exist. Floor 13. Aman was traveling on a business trip. He checked into a quiet hotel downtown, the kind you wouldn't notice twice. The receptionist didn't speak, just stared with cold, glassy eyes. Aman walked toward the elevator. That's when things started to feel wrong. He entered the lift. Buttons for floor 1 to 12 were there. But tonight, there was one more, a glowing red button. 13. He hesitated, then pressed it. The elevator began to descend, not up, down, deeper. The lights flickered, and when the doors opened, it was the same hotel, but older, dusty, colorless, abandoned, and silent. He stepped out. No one was there, no sound. His phone had no signal. He turned back to the lift, but the buttons were gone. Just a cold, dark wall. Once you reach the 13th floor, you never go back. They say Aman is still stuck on that floor, waiting for the next person to press 13.